So Musa Adam will tell you a bit more about the book coming out soon.
Mr. Abdullah, there's nothing like a good cup of tea to go with a good book.
Good books and good tea at Iqra Agencies.
Meet Mr. Ashraf, you know Ashraf Ibrahim? Meet him there, say hello to Farooq there. Mr. Farooq Suleiman is our regular guest here.
Hi.
Put your mask on, or can you show Mata with your mask?
I spoke with a snorkel.
What a good idea. I have to tell you, Mr. Abdullah, about a great book that is coming, and you will be happy to know that your father is named after Akbar the Great. This book is available now at Iqra Agencies. The Great Mughal. We have only 6 copies available. I believe in Southern Africa, we are the only people that have this book in stock. We also have this book. This is medicine for you. Medicine for the heart, medicine for the body, medicine